Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to uninstall Rust. All right. Just go ahead and open up your Steam app right here. Double click on it. If you can't see Steam right here, just go ahead and click on your search bar and type in Steam. There you have your Steam. And once done, go ahead and go to Library right here. Click on it and just locate Rust. All right. If you have a ton of games right here, you can go ahead and use the search function and just type in Rust. Now, once done, go ahead and click on Rust, right click on it, go ahead and go to Manage. And as you can see here, the uninstall option is available. Just go ahead and click on it and there will be a prompt. Would you like to uninstall Rust from this device? It will remain in your games library, but to play it in the future, you'll need to first re-download all of its content. All right. Once you're sure, just go ahead and hit on uninstall and there will be a prompt. Just click on yes. As you can see here, it's currently uninstalling, and as fast as that, it is now gone. Close this one. And as you can see, my Rust shortcut is gone as well. That's basically how you uninstall the game from Steam. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.